right, Metra Aaron here with another Saddle Tramp shorty. What we have is the BC-HARLE1. Basically what this does is when you upgrade your bike, the older bikes, to LED turn signals, gets the hyper flash. Everybody knows the hyper flash. And with this, you are the superhero. It'll stop that and make your lights flash correctly again. So what we're gonna do is get the camera repositioned, show you how to do it. Super quick install. 1, 2, 3, you're done. All right, so fast forward to your seat's been removed. What you're looking for here is the main plug for the fender coming from the bike. All you've got to do, push the clip down, unplug it. Now you will notice that the colors are different, nothing to worry about. It's the exact same plug, 1 for 1. All right, so you just marry up the mated ends here. Now this will generate heat if you use your 4-way flashers, your hazards. So make sure we're keeping this clear of your seat. This particular bike has air lines for the suspension. So you do want to keep that clear of everything. Tuck it out of the way. Now you can use thermal mounting tape for this if you'd like, but we're just gonna stash it under our seat pillar. And with that, your installation's completed. No more hyper flashing.